Okay, today is February 9th, and we are waiting on the second week for February, and let's see how that goes. This is about third week for the new administration. A lot of cheese things I'm seeing on the on X and different platforms. That's pretty good. But let's go over certain market situation for and last 2 weeks we've been focusing on nuclear and quantum. Whoever has been following our podcast, they must have made some good amount of money based on our research. If you have anything, just feel free to put a message or text. I'm also putting my number 571-577-0484. If you have any question, just feel free to ask and reach out to us. Okay, all right. So let's get started for this this week. We'll go to. We have good amount heavy earnings. If you see, we'll go through that. But before that, Prasad, anything you want to any stock you want us to check?
Especially we're looking for AI stocks. So in which I would like to go with C3.ai.
Okay, C3.ai. Okay. Okay. So AI, yeah, this had a good move. It was like basically a move from the AI wave that it happened. Highest is like 30, 42. Um, the stock has is still looking bullish, and AI wave will go up. There's no question. Now the only difference is you want to work with a company which has decent cash reserves, because anything on this line will take a lot. So there are two elements that you want to look into: how many cash reserves they have, and how many what's their current revenue model, so if you see, the AI revenue has gone up, definitely, there's no question, but their net income is still negative. That
Okay.
means in this case, the revenue is there, but there's a good amount of expenses. And the only thing is, yeah, so even looking into I think cash flow is also getting less negative on the annual basis. So it's still, so fundamentally the company is decent. Okay, I think when was that? 2021. This stock had been to much higher number, about 153. So let's see the max. Okay, so it IPO close to $109.20. Right now, 33 still looks to be a decent buy because of the wave and everything. So I kind of like this stock, buying it close to current price, 31, 32, is not bad. Yeah, I think market cap $4.32 billion is okay, and volume is also okay. So I think I like this company. Let's quickly take a look into um, their website, and um, they are creating multiple applications. AI platform passed. Okay, so that's a good sign. Their development cost probably is heavy. Now AI will be touching every portion of the life. So I think definitely they have clients like ExxonMobil, which is good. Um, I I like the clientele. Could be more. I'm more looking at towards, okay, we have NSF, US Air Force, Army, energy side. So um, I'm feeling 2009 founded, and it's California based, 891 employees. Yeah, I think the biggest factor is they're not yet profitable. Other than that, everything else is okay. The company looks okay. The projection looks okay. Buying near 28, 29, 30, 31, or 32, you cannot go wrong. Okay. Any other stock?
Yeah, the next one is SOUN.
SOUN. Okay, SOUN. This is AI. and similar market cap. Average volume is much higher because of the price point, probably. Yearly range is 1.7 to 24, Nasdaq based, California, similar to the prior one. Only difference is this company was IPO'd later, about 2022, so reasonably 2.5 years in the business. Let's look into their, again, similar route like the other one. At least I like they have the assets. Okay, fine. Cash flow. Yeah, so it's a very similar route. Only thing I say is buying it for, let's say, a month. Yeah. Yeah. I'm in still, I like it near $15, $14, $15. It's okay to buy. Yeah, it's got the support that it needs, and the category is good. So I can,
Okay.
yeah. Mhm. Yeah.
Okay. The next one is FIVN.
Okay. Okay. FIVN is, I don't know why it's, so this is, okay. And it's under litigation against, okay. So for now, I just say, um, the company is decent, better than the fundamentals are better, but it's going in a negative direction. So the technically the company is not a buy as of yet, but it may be a turning point. So if buying near 40, 41, 42 is fine. And it's US headquartered. What does the company do? Not able to find about the company. Mm. We'll take a look into right now FIVN. We don't have much information on the operations, but one second. FIVN, sorry. Yeah, so I do not know much on the operational side, but so Prasad, did you know what kind of business they do? Are they AI as well?
Not much into this movie.
Okay. So yeah, it looks like not much. Their income more look like a regular operating business been in the let's see. So they're okay, so they have been for long. Probably this is not a, so I'm talking about $6 to $40 and it's right now. So it's probably turning point. I just don't say when will it be, but yeah, if I have to take my first bet, $30, 35, 35, 30 to 35 for now.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Next one is PLTR. It's already it's recently we saw
The entire
huge
US
jump.
is be about fear. I was tracking this stock all the way from $16. I had less of my money, but I know some of my clients they made a lot of money. We had a signal to buy this stock at $8 at one point.
Yeah.
Um, so yeah, Palantir is again, it's a good stock, good momentum stock. Keep tight losses, tight stop losses, and just you can play on this because of the movement. I think you're fine.
Okay.
It's a $250 billion company, which was 25 billion, I think, about a year ago, which is a huge movement. That's really, I like it. Yeah, and especially with the new investment, with the new administration, it's really doing great. So, mm, okay, I think
Okay.
Palantir is a decent movement, but again, look, buy into any pullbacks, $100, 95, something like that. Or
Okay.
if you're buying at the price, then don't hold long.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
The next one is BBAI. No, no, BBAI.
Okay, BBAI. BBAI. Which price point? Oh, no.
$8. Yeah.
Okay. This is an AI holding, market cap 2 point. I don't want to buy it as of now because of the low market cap. Want to understand why. 1988, 480 employees. So something was, it's been a company which probably is rebranded to AI. I generally do not like companies like that unless
Okay.
there's a major reason. But yeah, I think um, um, like Riot was once upon a time like something similar, and they did good for a while, and now they're more into mining space. But um,
Yeah.
uh, yeah, I would just like to be a little bit more cautious. Big Bear, let's see. Okay. Hmm. Um, okay. So I think this probably a newly spin-off company from prior company. So okay. Okay. So from from the movement standpoint, I think $10 will be is going to be a test, and if it goes past 10, then we will take a look. But right now, without that, current price is uh, is okay. I mean, just a little. We need some weakness. About 6.5 or 7 is decent entry. Um,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. So
Any other stock?
the last one is AEYE.
AE.
Yeah. AEYE.
Okay. Audio I.
Yeah.
Okay, so audio is market volume is low. I'll be out of that. Will not suggest this
Okay.
this stock, even though it's got decent spikes. I'm not much interested to get into. Yeah, and um, yeah, unless something that I don't know here, but yeah, overall I'm neutral to this, but just because of lower volume, I'll just say that maybe buy a small position. Don't get into bigger ones. And if even if you're getting in, yeah, close to um, yeah, 14, 15.
Okay. Okay. I have one last one that is UAE path.
Okay, Path, yeah, Path I've been tracking, so I know this
Yeah.
stock. It's been consolidating for a very long time, going sideways, little bit up, a little very light upward movement. Seeing it very strong support near 13.5. So um, this stock, unless something else comes up as a negative, but this stock has a good potential to move up. So I would say it's a buy near 13.5.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. That's
Uh,
all I want.
yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Yeah. Now let's go to our earnings. So we have McDonald opening on Monday. Then we have mostly McDonald, which is early morning, and then we'll see VRTX. I think we recently had uh, some news on them, so we could So let's see how the earnings go. So McDonald, let's see. Yeah, McDonald it's a decent. It pays dividend as well. I think. Yeah, about 2.4% dividend. Yeah, nothing major. I mean, except if. Um, yeah, the revenue has been consistent if you want to get a decent money, and I'm not very much looking from a great movement point standpoint, but it's a decent company. We know the brand and everything, so McDonald's is decent. You can buy and hold, get some percentage interest as a dividend. Okay, now let's see on Monday, other than VRTX, nothing else that I can quickly take a look. Let's quickly take a look. So VRTX had a major news related to some FDA approvals, and looks like yeah, they had been weakness right now. It need to cross near to 490, and also I would be watching. I'll just wait on the earnings. Probably buy after earnings, not before. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Shopify. Okay, and Lyft. Shopify is going very sideways. I don't know. I mean, I think they probably will be the earning will be again their businesses. Let's see. Let's go with some of their something is going on, quite layoff. So I mean, business is slowing down probably. So just going to for now just let it be on the side. Do not buy, do not sell. Lyft. Let's see. Uber is doing good. Where is Lyft? Yeah, I mean, long term, I'm interested to be a buyer for long term because there was a time Lyft was ahead of Uber, and now it's just the opposite. So as long as they are expanding and growing, the net income is still close to zero. Interesting. Yeah, so they have a potential to go up. I'm liking Lyft, but I kind of not putting my hand right away. But it is also time to buy it at this price because the cash flow is growing. Okay, so I would say okay to buy and hold at a price near $14. So lift is not bad, and the risks are low and upside is good. Okay, now let's see. Gilead, I know. Gilead is just know I just buy. It's a dividend paying company, pays good at close to high $100. It's a decent company, but again, it's one of the biotech companies. So if as long as it holds $100, it has a potential. Otherwise, it should go down near 90. So for now, Gilead is a hold, not a buy. Let's take a look into CVS. Yes, CVS has been like on the up and then down. So I think it's CVS volumes are good. And also it gets a dividend or yield of 4.93. So buying it near 45 to 50. 50 is a decent price to buy CVS. Okay. Now let's look into Robinhood is another like Palantir, but Robinhood has one thing they did is they brought a lot of interest to the public, and because of that, a lot of cash has turned into Robinhood. So the GME movement that brought it up had I was stalling for a very long time. So this time Robinhood is short term. It's a good buy. You can buy and just hold for make decent money, but earning is there. So just be cautious on that side. It's been constantly. I bought Robinhood my portfolio near $8. I still have those stocks, but just be careful. Yeah, 55, 60 running and ongoing running. So okay, and all right, then we have to. I'll do one more, and then we'll call it a day because uh, I have to go to something for the personal reasons. But yeah, all right, let's do which one? I'll do a Roku and Moderna. Let's see. We have a Roku, which 85 holding good. I'm like Roku choppy but slowly upside movement. Roku 70 $80 is a decent buy. I think with Netflix movement, Roku has a good upside. Yeah, so I'm kind of Netflix spent so much in content, but they got very good returns. Roku just lagged on that, so most likely they will be spending some effort to catch up with Netflix. And the last one for today is Moderna. After the COVID movement, everything Moderna has been sold off like anything. This stock uh, was at one point $500. Right now, $32, about 90% down. It's not a buy yet. It can go to even 25 for now, so I'll just skip Moderna for some more time. I just want to see what it does. But yeah, long term, whenever it comes to price point near 25, 24, we'll look at it again. Let's also look into the earnings, how the earnings fare for. Okay, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, that's all for today. And thank you very much. And we will see you next week. And if you have any question, feel free to message me, call me 571-577-0484, or you can look at my website, ZestStockMirror.com. Please give me your feedbacks. Okay. Okay. See you next until next week.